talk about Cardano ADA and what is about to happen. What's in store for Cardano as we roll into the later part of June? We've got Cardano being named in the SEC lawsuit against Binance. They basically said that ADA was an unregistered security, air quotes intended, and that Binance shouldn't have been doing that, shouldn't have been selling it, etc. Also named was Polygon, some others. What's going to happen? Cardano took a hit from that being named. I'll also point out one thing, though. Notice that the SEC is not filed against Cardano themselves. They just named it in the lawsuit against Binance. And of course, we know that Cardano took a hit. If we look at kind of the latest market, if we look at the chart and we look at, say, the last month, obviously this was it right here. You see it. That was the hit. That was where Cardano got named in the lawsuit. Cardano didn't do anything wrong. Cardano is not, in my opinion, is not a registered security. It's and all those kind of things. Oh, by the way, Cardano is point blank moving, has plans with a major upgrade, or improvement, upgrade to completely be decentralized. Right, that's coming. Okay, but the point of it is that what's in store for Cardano? Well, the lawsuit, the SEC lawsuit, is a long-term play that's always going to be now percolating. But again, they didn't specifically sue Cardano. They went after going after Binance. They just named Cardano, and Cardano got right here. We can see Cardano got basically the fallout from it, right? I mean, so you saw the price move down. I mean, it moved down fairly dramatically. It moved from, say, 37 cents to 27 cents. So we saw a 10-cent move down. North of 20-30+%. Not good. But Cardano did nothing changed in that scenario. Now, on-chain data metrics are showing, again, it's starting to come back. You can see that Cardano's up 3.5% right now. And I think you'll start to see it move back. Now, the overall crypto market is flashing green right now. We know this. We talk about this in all my videos. The overall market is moving up. You got 3%. You got Bitcoin and Ethereum leading the way. They're right there almost with Cardano, kind of what's going on as far as kind of price action. Okay. Another thing I want to point out is trading volume has soared up 11+%, 215 million in the past. Okay, so retail buyers are very active in buying and selling it, things of that nature. And again, I think you've got a situation playing out where Cardano is being kind of assumed to be guilty, without doing anything, right? And this is partly what hurt them too, was the Robinhood, eToro, and Bakkt going to basically delist. So there's going to be some more news come out around that. So when those actually go live, the delisting, again, these are organizations that don't want any issue with the SEC. That's why they immediately jumped in. If you look at Robinhood's history, that's what they do. That's how they act. They don't want any issues at all around the SEC. Okay. So they're taking this preemptive, kind of very proactive approach to delist Cardano. Seriously, think about that. They're delisting Cardano. It's kind of crazy if you ask me. Bottom line, what's about to happen? You could see the price of Cardano ADA move down as news comes out later, as these delistings actually go into effect and things of that nature. We already saw that major kind of jerk down when ADA was named in the lawsuits against Binance, etc. But that doesn't change anything. Cardano is still one of the single best crypto projects out there, period, end of story. It's still a great asset to own, to be involved in. This is my opinion. You got to do what's right for you. So we might have some volatility coming up in the next couple of weeks. With news coming out about the delists and things of it, the delisting scenarios. But if you have the long-term view for Cardano ADA and you believe in it long-term, it's a great time. You just basically got a 30% discount, give or take. All right. Have a good one. Give me your thoughts down in the comments below. I'll see you.